Good morning, YouTube. It is 5:52 in the morning, and I got a little puppy butt over here. So he finally beat me at it. He was never allowed up front, and well, now he's sitting up front. I love him to death, but man, the hair is just murdersome, like none other. So he's got front seat now. He gets to put more hair all over the truck. Thanks for that. All right, I'm at the bottom of the canyon. You can't see anything, and Sam is now calling me. I'm trying to take a video. Oh my God. I see him. I see him. All right, let's do this thing. Come on, go, bro. Let's go. Power engaged. Get her done. I'll be a fun little trip between the two of us. It'll look good going down the road. 2 Diamond C's, 2 Dodges. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know you still can't see stuff, but you know. Follow the leader, boys. I wonder what Sam's saying. He's probably talking about something technical, about how stupid and dumb I am and how I'm behind him. So he's talking shit. So guess what? I'm gonna start talking shit. Where do I even start? You high mileage and ass Dodge owning dually 5500 Diamond C hauling goosenecking son of a bitch. Dropping down over here, doing some nonsensicalness. Nice and chilly, 48 degrees outside. Starting to get a little bit of daylight. It's 7:15 right now on the dot. Man, look at this cluster mist. Turn them on. What's that? It's right back. That's probably good. Yeah, that'll work. Boy, get over here, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, look at that sunrise. Oh, kind of. I got flipped around. Can't see anything. Get Mr. Hot Shot over here to get her done. Get over here. Get it, boy. Hey, come here. Get over here. Get over here. Come here. This way, not the other way. Look at that clean rig. Look at those lights. Oh, she sounds good, boys. Well, I wanted to take that thing home, but I guess I'm not allowed to. I got lots of keys for it, but I guess I'm not allowed to. A little D5K. I can totally tow that. It's got a little groomer on the side and everything. Sweet. Look at that view. I don't know if you guys can see it, but not too half shab. I'm over here like sitting halfway in the hole. My truck flexes, and the bed doesn't flex either. Look at that. I'm like honestly flexed out pretty damn good right now. Good. Like sometimes you don't have your hand in the right spot, it doesn't really connect.
Yeah, use some blocks so we don't destroy your
yay!
Your deck.
We'll get a little kick over action.
You don't want your deck to be destroyed, do you?
No, not as much.
Oh man. A little thrashed.
What?
A little thrashed.
Yeah, that's the first time I towed that that D3 dozer. Freaking did that. I was like, awesome. Had the trailer for a few weeks.
I don't think you had that long. First day, let's rent something big.
Yeah. All right. Let's get a groove in here. This old turd. Well, we're getting there. I didn't know homeboy runs backhoe controls. I do not. I run cat controls. It's confusing as heck for me. Makes no sense. Never ever really ran backhoe controls. Takes me about 3 hours to learn. Whoops. Good. Get this lined up for him here. She didn't have enough power to be in high range to, you know, get up that hill. Alright, I'm gonna let him load it up. He knows exactly where this machine needs to be on his trailer, so. Alright. Puppy boy, what you doing, ma'am? So you want to get in the truck? Be my pleasure. Here you go, good boy. Alright, deck skewer upper 5100 right here. Yay.
Everybody that doesn't realize the size of a Primetech, there's a D5. D5K XL. Yeah. Probably about the same weight, but that thing eats up more square footage, it looks like.
Kick it up, doesn't strip the trailer as much. These things love messing up the deck of trailers. Making a mess. Oh, swat, you can do it. Look at that bounce in action. There she is. Yeah, right back there. That's, I always have that that final drive right over the rear axle. It doesn't huck and buck as much.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Yeah.
Like, maybe
I mean, you're maybe like, go back like 4 inches. Right there.
go like a pad and a half over that.
Yeah, because I'm main that center weight's right over the front axle right now.
Yeah, that motor head weighs like 4,000 pounds.
Okay. How'd they do it so light? You got the most overkill skid steer right here. They don't get much, well, they do get much bigger. Well, they got a 600 horse one now.
The skid steer?
Yeah.
I think it's like 800 horse skid steers.
Holy hell!
I think we're gonna have to scrape some of this gravel off the track.
Yeah, I got my broom. All right, well, first time I've ever towed a Primetech before. Can't be much different than other stuff. This is probably only still the second or third heaviest thing I've really pulled, but it's still like it's number 3 on the list of the heaviest thing I've pulled, if that makes sense. Get my chains out over here. Get the tracks swept off and get the deck swept off too. Don't worry, I'm gonna tighten it up more. Just scooting the machine over now. Ready to go. Big old heavy fat turd. Getting the deck all cleared off for all you four-wheelers driving on the road so you don't have a big old hole in your front window. Needs a better leaf blower. Maximum power! I think that's floored. You don't want to rip. There she goes. Elevation's getting to her. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Keep clear.
Some nitrous.
All right. I got some brake thinner, I think.
That's all I got in the tank.
All right, loaded up, ready to go. I got that big old honky. This big old honky. Got it.
Squat in your truck. That ice and it's terrible, ain't it?
All right, we are all loaded up, chained down, good to go. I'm gonna kick up the trailer brakes here a little bit and let's get rocking.
Map your direction.
Funny part is I can totally accelerate past this. I'm just holding a steady speed. The thing is, because of the turbo he has on his truck, the moment he shifts up, like let's say second gear or third gear, he can't build that boost back up and it bogs it down. But no, he's rolling now. This Primetech actually is really not that heavy. Like it's heavy, don't get me wrong, but it's not heavy. It's really not bad. If anything, just the grousers screw up the deck of the trailer. Hammer down. Shift up. And just gonna drive down. We're not gonna go the same way that we came up this way. Just the hills, the turns, and the curves. It's just a waste of time and waste of fuel and brakes. So we're gonna go back down to the valley, go around the mountain range, and head back up. It's a lot easier of a drive, especially when you're towing this much weight. When you're in that like 22-ish thousand pound area. So yeah, it just makes it a lot easier. And you'll probably get there around the same time. The other way might be less miles, but on the flip side of it, you're dealing with a bunch of grades, so make life easy. You know, I'm really not sure when people are gonna learn how in the hell to merge. Like you guys just saw that F350, I'll show you right now.
All right, sorry, I had to mute the audio because of the music I was playing, but this is the guy right here. And he just failed miserably.
Just doesn't know how to merge. Like, I'm not gonna slow down. I'm not gonna slow down just so I have to speed back up. I'm gonna continue on my way. And if you guys actually look at the laws on merging on the traffic, if you cannot merge safely onto a highway, you need to pull over on the shoulder until it's good enough to do so to pull back out. Phrasing. Yeah, I don't understand it. You ought to have more than enough power to get ahead of us because we were only doing like 50. This is him right here that's coming up on my left. I don't know what's so hard about that. I really don't. He's probably scared that he's gonna blow ahead if he floors it too much. You know how it works. So yeah, the typical stuff you get to deal with on the road. And Doggo wants to stick his head out outside. All right. All right, so we've been going down. I think this is a 6% grade. I'm in third gear at around like 2,900 RPM. And I have not hit the brakes once. And whatever heck this Primetech weighs, I think Sam says it weighs like 20 or 21,000 pounds or something like that. And third gear, the holding back is 6% grade. Not sketchy whatsoever. Super smooth on the ride. No complaints here. This thing is haggard. Holy shit. Well, his radio still works though. Both pretty comparable trucks. I'm able to take off faster, you know, because automatic. Kind of gotta let off every time because I keep on catching up too quick. Like, I'm barely kicking on the throttle right now. Low boost to no boost. And like third gear starts pulling away then. It sucks because we gotta go through all these stupid traffic lights, so it's shift, 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 slow down, brake and stop, and then shift, shift, shift. But, you know, temperature on the transmission's at 174. Oil temp's 212, engine temp's 203. It really doesn't care for this weight at all. Easy peasy. This last little fun grade's in Auburn, and it's a steep, short little thing, but it can get you if you don't get a good little run at it. It'll slow you way down. I'll say it's a good solid 6%er. Even people in cars, they don't know throttle control, so they'll slow down even just going up the grade. Here it is right here. Starting shooting up this little thing right here. Still holding 65. Alright, still doing 61-ish, 62. Slowed down to 60 just now. Giving her the mustard. Just dropped down into high 50s, 58. 210 on the engine. And 55. Slowly catching up. Holding 55, 56-ish. 2,500 RPM, fourth gear. Speeding back up already. And we caught up.
Pretty cool looking setup right there.
Damn right.
Pretty cool that pickups nowadays can handle that without a problem.
Right.
On the road for 2 hours, up and down hills.
Oh yeah.
No problems.
Yeah, no problems. Yeah, boy.
This is our destination. Got to go through that gate, and yeah, see how she goes. I got to back up a little bit, and this is a pretty steepish hill. That sucks that we start off on. Now let's see what we got. Give her the mustard. We did it! Yay! Yeah?
Smells like it. I was a little hard on the clutch taking off.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't want to freaking pull over this corner. Screw that.
Yeah, right.
So,
Of course, the only thing these transmissions hate is not being locked up. Boom, shot up to like 187. I was like, hey, this is the warmest you've gotten for a while.
it just first geared that whole hill, huh?
Yeah. Actually, it shifted up in the second, held it until it came around that turn.
See, that corner is kind of...
Yeah, right? Where's his rookie cramp?
To engage that.
Engage mulcher.
The button doesn't engage it, the knob does too. Gonna hit the big green button. Nope, the other one. Yep. Now you're live.
Yay.
This is like your gear shifter.
Okay.
So you roll it all the way back and that's creep.
Oh, it's just like a dozer.
Yeah. It's real. When we first drove it, I was like, I was fucking with everything. I was like, what the fuck? Oh shit, did I break it?
What the hell? Max power?
Just drive it up there somewhere.
Alright.
I'll film you a little bit.
Okay.
Make some jokes.
Yeah.
Go easy. This ain't my trailer.
Okay. This guy. Get this head up. Back her up nice and straight. It's kind of nice when you actually load, if you're facing downhill, you have so much less of a breakaway angle on the trailer. Way easier. Nice and easy. Sweet. Wants me way the hell up there. Just gonna turn around here real quick, like probably destroy the heck out of the road, but sick and tired of going backwards. That's easier. Just got to see what the heck is going on here. Go. Roll down. Ugh. Easy squeezy. 11 peasy. Emergency stop. This thing's nice on the inside. Look at all this. Snazzy. Alright. So, hey, yeah. Yep. Okay. 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 Yo, Wadey. Puppa dogs. Big old mess. Grab my broom real quick and clean up that. Nobody says anything. Where am There he is. Always got to have a broom on your truck. Always, always. Wheel. Well, all right, so that's pretty much going to be it for the day. Just stopped at Sam's house, ate some grub, swapped a few videos over for him to have, and I'm going back home. I got a few other things to do, but I'm just going to finish off this video here. I appreciate you guys watching. If you want to see the other angle of what was going on Sam's side, go watch his video, and then vice versa. If you guys are coming from his video, you know how it works, I think. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Drive safe, enjoy your fall, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.